Okay friends, in today's video demonstration of bath bomb molds, we're going to be making our Mexican skull set that we sell, and it comes with 4 different plates. So we're just going to demo one of them on the channel today. I actually had a customer reach out to me that was having problems unmolding. She was saying that no matter what it was she was trying, she tried her mix, she tried my mix, you know, no matter what she did, she just couldn't get anything to unmold cleanly. So we fixed that situation by creating a flat face plate that doesn't have any design on it whatsoever. This is a plunger, not the plate, but we made one of those for her and shipped that out to her for free so that she could go ahead and make these. She asked us to do that so that she could just go ahead and paint it herself, because time is of the essence as far as the Halloween holiday season is concerned. So I thought that this would be a good opportunity to go ahead and do a demo on the mold and show you guys how to get this to unmold with the designs. I've already done one. There we go. There's one. But I'll do another one on camera. All right, let's just take our mix. And again, you guys, 3D bath bomb molds love oil. Okay, so if you are having problems with your mix, now I haven't added additional oil in here. We're going to see how this goes with my regular mix, and I include my recipe in every order that we ship out. But my customer said she tried my recipe as well, and it didn't work for her, and I'm sorry about that. So let's just take a little bit of mix and stick it in the bottom like we always do, and that bottom plate is where the design is. So we're going to give our pushes. Not a lot, just a little, because we want those designs to come out. All right, and then keep filling. I usually fill about 3/4 of the way up. Then I make my little well in the center. Put your embed powder. All right, continue filling. Give it a little bit of a shake. Make sure that all your mix gets down into all the cracks and crevices. All right, now the plunger is just plain, so turn that over and stick it on the top of your mold. And it doesn't matter which of the plates that you use. Again, 4 plates. I'm going to turn these over so you can see what they are. 4 different plates come with the Mexican skull or sugar skulls, whatever you guys want to call them. I've always known them to be Mexican skulls. I don't know if that's even the proper term, but that's what I've seen them called. All right, so your plunger on the top. Give your pushes. And I always, you know, you guys have seen me do bath bomb mold demos lots and lots and lots of times. So I push and turn, push and turn, push and turn as I'm molding. All right, let's take our taps around the outside shell. Taps on the top plunger. Turn it over, and now this is where the design is, so we might want to tap a little bit more than normal. All right. So normally we would be pulling off one part and then the design part comes last, but we're going to go ahead and we're going to take this bottom plate off because that's where the design is. So just go really slow, straight up and off. And if you're feeling any resistance whatsoever, continue to tap. Okay, so there we go. All right, now we're going to push up and out with that bottom plunger and get that shell off of there. Take your flip plate, stick it on there and turn it over. Straight up and off with the plunger. And I'm going to flip it back over again so you guys can see the design. And there's your sugar skull. So if you guys have any problems, like I said, if you're having any problems, I mean, I can see that there's a couple little places around the eyeball because the eyeballs on this particular plate have the little flower. So I can see where a couple of little flowers got like kind of busted, but you can paint that. The rest of it's perfectly fine. but you can paint around that. So again, you guys, if you're having problems with any of the face plates on here, then just go ahead and add a little bit more light oil to your mix, and that will help you to unmold your design more cleanly. But there is one of our Mexican skulls and all of the other plates that go with it. Okay, so that's going to do it for today's video, you guys. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.